जी.
सोनंतपारम त्रिस्कंधम आयुर्वेदम महामतिहि यथा तत् अचिरात् सर्वं बुबुधे सर्वं तन्मना मुनिहि. The meaning of this shloka is that in Charaka Samhita, Sutrasthana, this shloka is there. The background of this is during entry of Kali Yuga, the transformation between Dwapara Yuga and Kali Yuga, all Rishis and Munis, they had a symposium in Himalayas, and they have decided that since Kali Yuga is coming, the life leading pattern will be adharma. Because of life leading pattern adharma, lot of diseases will explode. So then Rishis Munis, what they thought was that what is the way out for the humanity to rescue from them. Then with their Divya Drushti, they found out the Ayurveda was emanated from Dhanvantari and then from Ashwini Devatas, and at last it was lying with the Indra. Then they have discussed, and then who will go and get that knowledge. Then Bharadwaja Rishi has volunteered to go there and then get back that knowledge. Then he goes to Indra, and then this shloka is applicable there. The meaning of it is, Bharadwaja Rishi is very highly intellect person, very highly intellect. So Ayurveda is such a tremendous and very vast subject. So in that context, this shloka is there. This gives the Bluetooth transfer explanation. How? So Ananta Aparam. Saha Ananta Aparam Triskandham Ayurvedam. Ayurveda is called Triskandha. What are the three skandhas, tripods is? One is etiology. One is the reason why the diseases will come. Then the diagnostic part, lakshanas, linga, hetu, linga, aushadha. These are three pillars on which Ayurveda lies. Hetu is the etiology, the diseases, the reasoning why a disease comes. Then linga means the lakshanas, the diagnostic part. Then aushadha, treatment part. So Triskandha. Ayurveda is Ananta, Apara and Triskandha. So this Saha, that Bharadwaja Rishi, Triskandha, Ananta, Apara, this knowledge was lying with Indra. So what he did? Sonantaparam Triskandham Ayurvedam Mahamatihi. That Bharadwaja Rishi is not a small person, he is Mahamati. What did he do? Yatha Tat. In Indra's mind, this knowledge was there. Came from Parampara, from Dhanvantari, Ashwini Devatas, and then it was lying with the Indra in his mind. So what did this Bharadwaja Rishi did? What he did? Sonantaparam Triskandham Ayurvedam Mahamatihi Yatha Tat. In Indra's mind, exactly, without any deviation, without any distortion. Yatha Tat. Achirat. Chiram means taking very long time. Achirat means within no time. Yatha Tat Achirat Sarvam. All that particular knowledge only. In Indra, he has so many other compartments knowledge. But this Ayurveda knowledge, Yatha Tat. And how? Achirat. Without any time delay, Achirat Sarvam Bubudhe means he understood. He could grasp entire thing. How? Tan Mana Munihi. When he joins his manas with the manas of Indra, he takes away entire thing and then he just walks away. That means the Bluetooth transfer of Indra's knowledge mind, Bharadwaja Rishi, the Mahamati, has just transferred that knowledge to his mind, and he came down to earth and he gave this knowledge to the humanity. That means in modern science you don't have any explanation about manas, basically. And there is lot of explanation is there. What manas in Bhagavad Gita? It's scientifically explainable. In case if you can match your manas with the manas of the opposite person, and in that manas whatever the knowledge is there, you can just get it transferred. That means thought reading and then Bluetooth transfer from such highly knowledgeable people. This is the technology. So this is Bluetooth technology, Bluetooth transfer technology, which is lying from ages. And now we are thinking it's too great to get the instrument to instrument transfer. And we are, unfortunately, the latest modern science technology is artificial intelligence.
Yes.
We are talking so much of artificial intelligence, so much of applicability, so many ways that's going to make a big revolution. Is foolishly we are forgetting natural super intelligence. We are talking about artificial intelligence, we are forgetting about natural super intelligence. That we have to sharpen. In front of that, nothing will come. We don't insult modern science, okay, but we appeal to realize the limitation of modern science and experience the ultimate, the vastness, the infinity of the natural super intelligence. Hope people will understand this one. Thank you.
Yes, thank you.